Alright. It's the bubonic chronic that made you choke. It ain't no joke, this stuff. Hey, you know what? I'm going to make 12. So if we roll a 12, it'll be 14. So I can use a 12-sided die. This is from Matt H. Hey, quinky dink. Rolled a 12, 14. Matt is going to do these last 3 heritage and a chronic. What's up, Tar Heel Kenny? We got an autograph out of one of these yesterday. Nolan Gorman. Box topper autograph. Chris, I threw away my Premier Marble sketch. I pulled out topper. You threw it away. What does that mean, Grizzle? I thought I put that in a top loader. Yours was already folded and there was no art on the bind, so I just put it down in a top loader. Grizzle. Your top box topper sketch? Casey Mize. Check your top loaders. Sorry, Minkster. Sold out. I'll try to get more for next week, though. I didn't know if people would dig the minor league stuff, so I only got one case. I think I do have some 2018 minor league, if you like that one. I think. It'd be on the website. Yeah, I thought yours went right down into one of those jumbo top loaders, Grizzle, so it should be there. What's up, Ugly Nugan? Darren? Already muting Kenny? My shipping's still not working. So last night I had to individually, one by one, go find the payment and print. Usually I do it all under multi-order shipping, which is 100 times faster. Man, it was a headache last night. I was here till 1 in the morning, printing. PayPal allegedly is working on multi-ordering right now. They say no one else is having the issue but me, though. But I've tried it on 3 browsers and 3 computers, and it won't print. Oh, there's one autograph. Owen Miller. Okay. I guess I'll breeze through all these base, man. I think the short prints and the numbered cards have been backwards. There's a Casey Mize blue to 99. But you may just want to go back through them. Make sure there's not a variation or a short print. Oh, you talking about this? Long bombers? You got it, man. Yordan Alvarez? Game used jersey. That's a nice jersey to get. Not a bad jersey at all. What's up, Steven? Judd? Are you related to Ashley? Oh, cool, Mark. Long bombers. Trevor Larnach. Trevor Larnach looks a lot like the Breaks. Ivan. What's up, Tim Chill? How we live, how we live. Whew. Hey, there's a gnat right there. Alrighty then. Box 2. We've only got one nickel out of this case. All right. Alec Thomas. Took you that long to respond, Tar Heel Kenny? Alright, I guess now we'll just look for backwards cards and relic cards. Here's a backwards card. Brandon Marsh. So that's probably Bay Bears. That's probably a short print, if we had to take a guess. Oh, here's a 99. Blue. Brian Campusano. Like the salmon of Capistrano. Card is nuts. Number to 99, Sully Matthias. Oh, Matt Hicks. Yeah. This is yours, man. I'll recap it now and we'll make another video for the other half. This is where you stand thus far. Alec Thomas. Owen Miller. Sully Matthias blue, number to 99. Blue, Brian Campusano to 99. Brandon Marsh, probably a variation. And Jordan Alvarez, jersey. All right, be right back with part 2.